Do you want to make your garage to look like from this to this? Good morning, guys. This is Alfie. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm gonna be working on our garage. I'm gonna make some cheap upgrade, and I bought the stuff at Amazon. And let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going outside and apply that thing that I bought at Amazon to upgrade the garage, okay? So this is it, a little bit bent, so that's why I put some weight on the thing here. So let me see if it's gonna work. Okay. Okay. Let's go outside.
Yep. So anyways, yeah, why would you change the whole garage, you know what I mean? If you can buy something at Amazon. Everything is at Amazon right now. So let me just unlock our garage. So this is our garage look like. It's just plain white. It's a two-car garage, guys. So I'm gonna apply this magnetic thing on the garage and let me see how it's gonna look like. So hold on for a moment. Let me just set up my camera. Okay, there you go, guys. So it's just a magnet. You can stick it in there. And in the middle, it kind of looks like a handle. But that's a magnet too as well. There you go. So that's how it looks like. A little bit of upgrade, cheap upgrade. So you can buy this at Amazon, guys. I think it's only $11. And I think I'm going to buy the one on the top that looks like a window. And yeah, I'm going to do that next time. So anyways, this is how it looks like. Alright guys, so I think that's it for now. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going back inside.
Alright guys, I'm back in my room. Oh, by the way, I bought this new desk. It's from Walmart, and I'm gonna make another video of this one on how to organize your workstation. So anyway, so I hope you like that cheap upgrade, the garage. You can buy this thing at Amazon for for I think $11, and it's called magnetic decorative kit. Yeah, it's easy to apply. You just stick it in the garage because it's a magnetic thing. You don't need to call those professional guys to upgrade your garage. You can do it yourself. So anyways, I'm making DIY videos, and then I also do unboxing usually on the weekend. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you again. Bye.